All right, so there's a lot of competitive spy tools out there, but Motion is one that we really find that works really well. It just seems to skim the meta ads library better than others, but it's really easy to set up. So there's this all saved ads section. You can use it for reporting too, but mostly this is going to be for creative research. So this is going to be where anything that you tag is saved. So if you're using Chrome, you can have something where if you see anything on Instagram or Facebook, you can save it with one click. Where we really live is brand intel. So you can search any brand. So let's say even we want to look for Meta, just Meta in itself, so Meta for Business as an example. So it'll show you the breakdown, a media mix of what video versus image, carousels, and then any landing pages that they have. So that really shows you how they're testing. Obviously, these are a lot across a lot of different languages here. So Meta is enormous, but we can see if we liked something, we can always just come in and click this, and then we'll save it to a board. So that's the best thing we can really do is boards. So when you're trying to save something to basically reiterate with your own brand, you'll come into boards. And anything that you save here, you can save to different boards depending on what client you have. So you can use one account for free, even though you can always get a paid plan, but depends if you want to use this for creative. We don't. We use super ads as you'll see in a different video as this update in 2025. But what we'll do is we can easily pop in here and we can download the creative. You can copy a link too if you wanted to share this type of creative with a designer, but we find it easier to just pop in and download this, and then we usually save something to markup or Ruttle. Either of those tools work really well just to download. Let's say we wanted to have a ton of creative variation. We can download all of these and we can save them to a place where we can just make an annotation. Hey, let's go ahead and change this out. So, or as you could tell from other earlier editions and courses in Adverlytx, you can upload these straight to any third-party designers you're using. But this is the best place to find and save. So anytime you come into Brand Intel, it'll you could look by newest or longest running. Both are very important. Newest gives you an opportunity to look at, hey, what are they doing? How are they using creative research on their end to really help push the needle? Or you can look at longest running. What I like to do is look at longest running if it's still active. And this tells me that if something has been running for 377 days and it's still active, it's doing really well. So I want to go ahead and clone these pieces, right? I want to take this and go, hey, this is something really good. For instance, this video is something that I could probably see that it's meant to look like it's a movie, right? Like it's meant to look like the award-winning, maybe like the Sunset Festival, Cannes, any of those things. But you can easily download or copy the creative, download as a GIF. A lot of really easy ways to do that. So this is a game changer for us. To have like a virtual assistant come in and just be able to grab these pieces is a huge win. Yeah, save yourself some time and effort and let this auto-populate with the brand intel option here. It's really awesome. We'll see what we do in super ads next. Thanks.